And it looks like these winds are reversing. They're heading this way. And so I would say they were going that away, and now they're going did away.
So one thing about being in Arizona is these winds kick up big time in the desert. I mean, this tent over here, I'm surprised it's even standing still. And then our neighbor's stuff, it's over here just rolling around. There it goes. All right, everybody. Yesterday, those winds were insane. They went all night long. They did not stop. There's dust everywhere. Scotty's out here. He's trying to get the windows cleaned up because the dust just stuck to everything. I'm in here dusting. Once we're done with all of our chores, we're going to go and we're going to take our bikes for a ride. We're going to head on down to a little park that we know of and just check it out and get out of the house because we were stuck in the house all day yesterday. So, all right, let us get our stuff done and we'll see you guys on the bikes.
You have your backpack.
I have my backpack.
Helmet.
I have my helmet.
Reading glasses.
Got my reading glasses.
Dog.
Got my dog.
We're all good.
We're good. Let's roll.
Oh,
Crikey. All right, we are getting ready to go for a little bike ride. We're just going to get down to, does anybody know what that's called down there?
Castle Rock.
Oh, Castle Rock. Okay. It's not very far. We're going to head down to the store as well. Stop there first and then head down there and check it out.
It might be further than we think.
We are taking Pumpkin with us. She's got her makeshift tent. That's what I call it. It's a hamper. But I just haven't ordered a thing for her. And this actually works really good. Gives her a lot more room. I've looked at some of the dog carrying things. I don't know. They're kind of small. Come here. You want to go?
I thought it was the tabletop thing for the...
No, it's a hamper, and I just push the sides in of the top part. She's in there. She kind of fights it for a minute just because I'm going to stand here till Scotty gets on here. Sit down. Sit down. She just quite hasn't figured it out. Sit down. She wants to be with me, so I'm going to stand here until Scotty gets a hold of this bike.
Let me get my gloves on. I got my helmet. I just got to be prepared. Should not have left it in 7th gear, though.
Why?
Because I'm not going to be able to take off that easy. All right.
Well, okay, you have to remember, though, that you have precious cargo this time.
Oh,
Normally, she's on my bike, and I'm going to ride behind Scott so I can just make sure that she's not trying to get out or anything. But with this new bike, I don't have a basket on either end. So, and, well, actually, I could go get one of those, but I didn't really think about it at the time. So
no, you're going to do a front basket.
We
like
could have put
Dorothy.
that on mine, then Pumpkin would feel okay. But
She's
I think
fine.
she'll be okay because she'll be able to see me.
Yep.
All right, Donnie and Colleen are going with us. Let's head out. Pumpkin, you sit down. Sit down. I'll be right with you. Don't worry. It's going to be a bumpy ride, guys. Until we get down to the bottom. Pumpkin is watching me like a hawk. I'm right here, Pumpkin Poo. I'm right here. So once we get off this part of the highway, then we won't have all these cars around us. Ah, we got a car show going on.
I want to go through my pocket. Hey. I can go fast and it won't sound like a howling dog.
Why don't you take her, so Scott? Pumpkin's not doing very well on Scotty's bike. She's always been with me on the bike. She's really freaked out about me not being right next to her or touching her. Anyways, they're having a Camaro and some other hot rods. A little show down here. Very fun. Something happened. So we just stopped here at the Veterans Thrift Store. I was looking for a basket for Pumpkin and something else. Not sure what else. I forget what else I was looking for. All right, these guys were having fun taking off out of the parking lot. We missed the best one. He ripped it down the road. When you can't see over the hill, you know it's steep probably. Alright, so Havasu National Wildlife Refuge.
We can take our bikes out here, right? Over to California, carry your trash out.
Pumpkin, shh. We're in the wildlife refuge. Shh. Quiet voice.
You want to come out?
Quiet part.
Walk them back if you want.
I'm not sure. I was going to go back up there and read those rules.
Yeah. We can take our bikes back there.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it just shows. What's the sign say back there, Donnie? It just shows pets on the leash. Here, I'll just let her calm down for a minute. Yeah, we can just go over here.
I'll give her some water.
Now let's just go
Over there.
Yeah, guys, it say right over here.
What's it say on it?
It says no fires, no tenting, no four-wheelers, and no motorcycles.
Okay. I don't have the motor on. You might not be able to pedal yours without power. This one is pretty darn easy. Donkeys down here. One thing I like about this bike that I've decided to keep is that I gotta pedal it back anywhere that I can. The first bike I had, I just couldn't even do it. I had to have the motor on. An alligator. All right, this is such a pretty place to come down to.
Yeah, we can bring the little kayak thing down.
Really pretty. All right, back to camp then.
Yep.
Short ride, but fun. right over the darn cactus things. Well, I got a big flat tire.
You know what the blessing is? It got you all the way back here.
It did.
It probably was where, I don't know where you came through. Oh, you came up that way.
I came up like everybody else did. But I did hit, I did roll over something that I thought probably might give me a flat. But
okay.
I couldn't avoid it.
But in all honesty, when you get these bikes and you're going to ride them here, first thing you should actually do is drain them, put the slime in them, and then you shouldn't have a problem. How lucky are we that you made it all the way back home?
I know, right? It would have been a walk.
You could have rode with Colleen, though.
You could have come home and got the truck and then.
No, you could have taken your. I would have rode with Colleen.
Oh.
You could have brought your dog back. Okay. Let's figure out how to keep it stabilized.
No more bike riding for me today. Cheers. It's been a while. I had to recover from the anniversary.
You're killing the stupid ones.
3 weeks ago. Donnie, how did you get a cherry?
It was already on there.
Oh no.
Somebody stuck the stick in and it landed.
Oh, I got one.
Like right on there.
Yeah, you're like the shark.
All right, these are marinated cherries. What are they marinated in, do you think? Whiskey? Moonshine. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Good.
Is that what they are? Isn't it the moonshine cherries?
I think they are. They're very good.
Oh.
They're very good.
Yeah, that's the same one that had the butter pecan.
They're good.
Pickles and pineapple, I think,
And pears. I mean,
Yep.
and peaches.
down there.
So Scotty got these for a birthday present, so we've had them since October. We thought we'd bring them out. And the best way to get them is poke them with the... Nope. We've eaten a lot of them.
All the way up. Yep. There you go.
We've eaten so many of them. Uh-oh. Okay, that's staying in there.
That's the perfect prong, and you got it.
Yeah, because it's very hard to get them even with the... Oh, I lost it.
Well, how many do you want?
No, I don't want any. I was trying to load the...
Oh. Load the stick?
Load the sticks.
That sounds nasty.
Mike.
Mike, who asked for the song tonight.
Yeah, that sounds nasty. What song were you looking for? Don't say it. Don't say it. I will get...
Whap.
Whap. Whap. It's a nasty song. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
I'm being a good boy.
Liar.
Believe me.
Liar.
Fire, ants on fire.
Oh, I have the best family ever.
Good times at the campfire. All right, guys. So we're going to put the fire out. I'm going to put some water on it. It's 10 o'clock.
Has a lid on it. You just have to
All right. I'm
pop
probably...
it open. Can you see okay out there?
Yep. I'm probably going to need more than this. So you always want to put your fires out, guys. We're in Arizona. And it's stupid not to. So last night I made penne pasta with some, I've got asparagus, onion, garlic, tomato, mushroom, and and some shrimp. Let's see what else I have. Parmesan. All right, I'm just going to take some Parmesan. I love my George Foreman because I'll tell you what, this is like the quickest way to heat up pasta. It's the best way to use leftover pasta. Just put in the George Foreman. And I just spread it out a little bit. Get in there. Don't be jumping ship on me. Then I just put some Parmesan on there. You can put some mozzarella on there. It's really good too. And I just close it. And then I just let that bake for a few minutes. Doesn't take very long. So I'm going to put a little bit of this cheese on it when it comes out. This doesn't really melt very good, but it's got like a, I don't know, it's like a Parmesan cheese, sort of. Tastes good. I love my George Foreman for heating things up. Ooh, look at that. Alright, so that's done. Put a little bit of this cheese on there. Yum. Super good. So this is Scotty's. I'm going to put mine on now. It's the easiest way to... That was just a total blooper. I'll show you guys how I made this in another video. Super good, super cheap. Really, really, really good. Alright guys, that was fun last night. We had a good time at the fire. The goats are right here, so we're just waking up and we're gonna sit here and watch the goats. Thanks a lot for hanging out with us. We'll see you guys another day.
Peace out, everyone. I'm gonna go watch me some goats.
Did he just go up even more?
Yeah.
Wow, he's climbing that wall.